Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday digital tasks into simple, straightforward steps. Today, we're diving into how to send an e-check with PayPal. If you've ever needed to make a payment that's directly linked to your bank account without using your PayPal balance or a credit card, an e-check is your go-to option. It's secure, convenient, and widely used for online transactions. But first, what's an e-check? Essentially, it's an electronic check that pulls funds straight from your bank account, though it might take a couple of days to process, unlike instant transfers. Let's get started with the steps. First, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, head over to the PayPal website and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, look for the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. Click on that, and it will take you to the payment section. Next, enter the recipient's details. This could be their email address, phone number, or even their PayPal username. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Now, here's the key part. When you select the payment method, choose e-check from the options. PayPal will prompt you to confirm that you're okay with the funds coming directly from your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to send, add a personal note if you'd like, maybe something like payment for services, and then hit Continue. Review everything on the next screen to ensure it's all correct, including the recipient and the amount. Once you're satisfied, click Send to finalize the transaction. And just like that, your e-check is on its way. Keep in mind that e-checks aren't instantaneous. They can take 3 to 5 business days to clear, depending on your bank. This is because it's processed like a traditional check. To avoid any surprises, always check your PayPal account for updates or confirmation emails. That's all for this quick guide. Sending an e-check with PayPal is a breeze once you know the ropes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.